Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be going over the full glitch list because we have a total of 17 glitches going on right now at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, you might want to consider doing that right now. It's that big red subscribe button right down below this video, and also make sure that you turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Now, if you appreciate this content and you want to see more videos like this, please take a second and hit that thumbs up button for me because that is a free way that you can help support this channel and continue to see these videos in your feed. Also, leave me a comment down below because y'all know I love hearing from you, and please take a second to share the video. Even if you just share it to yourself in a text message or an email, that really does help me out. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, so first up, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So number one, we do not want to talk to employees about glitches. And number two, if you're not comfortable doing glitches, no worries. I'm not here to judge. I'm just here to bring you all the deals, all right? So next up, it is very important when you're in the store to scan each and every item to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. All right, so first up, we have this $150 off one digital coupon for the Airwick Scented Oil products. This is working on the Airwick Scented Oil warmers. These are priced at $2.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just 75 cents. All right, next up, we have this 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Airwick Scented Oil products, and this is also working on the Airwick warmers, so you want to pick up 2 at $2.25 each. Use the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50 for 2. All right, moving right along, we have a 2 off 2 digital coupon for the Aussie hair care products, and this coupon is glitching and working on the Aussie Miracle Moist Conditioners, the 1.7 ounces. You might be able to find these in your clearance section. These are $1.30 each. Pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay 60 cents for 2. All right, next up, we have this DG store coupon for save $2 when you spend 6 on Dove, Axe, Degree, and Suave men's products. This is working on the Axe deodorants, 1.7 ounces. These are $2.95 each. Pick up 3, use the coupon. You're going to pay $6.85 for all 3. All right, next up, we have a 1 off 2 digital coupon for the Bic stationery products, and this is glitching and working on the Bic whiteout tape. These are priced at $1.95 each this week. Pick up 2, use the coupon. You're going to pay $2.90 for 2. All right, next up, this one really isn't a glitch, but it is a freebie, so I threw it in here anyways. We have this 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Centrum vitamins. If you can find the Centrum minis at your store, maybe in the clearance section, these are priced at $3. Use that coupon, and that's going to make it completely free. All right, now I'm going to take a quick second right here to give y'all a little heads up on something. So if you want to go ahead and hit that thumbs up button while I'm talking, I would really appreciate it. All right, now quick heads up. Some of the glitches that we're going to go over in this video are not showing up when you just simply click on the coupon in the app. You know how you click on the coupon and you scroll through and you see what all products are working with this coupon? Well, some of them are not showing up like that. You actually have to scan the product to make sure that that coupon shows up underneath. But I have double checked all of the glitches in this video this morning personally, so I can guarantee you all that these are working as of right now. But again, just make sure that when you get into the store, scan the product to make sure that those coupons do attach for you. All right, now that everybody's hit that thumbs up button for me, we'll go ahead and jump back into these deals. All right, next up, we have this 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Crest toothpaste. This works on the Crest with Scope toothpaste, 2.7 ounces for $1, found in the dollar aisle. Pick up one of those, use the coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. Now, we also have this 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Crest and Oral-B products. So if you want to pick up 2 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste at $1 each, use that coupon. That's going to make 2 of them completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. Now, this 3 off 2 digital coupon is also working on the Crest 3.3 ounce Pro Health toothpaste for $1, also found in the dollar aisle. So pick up 2 of those, use the coupon. That's going to make 2 of them completely free, plus give you $1 in overage, and y'all can mix and match. Now, this 3 off 2 digital coupon is also working on the Oral-B Healthy Clean toothbrushes. These are also priced at $1 each, so pick up 2, use the coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. Now, we have one more product that is working with this 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B coupon. You can pick up the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes. These are also priced at $1 each, so pick up 2, use the coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage, and keep in mind y'all can mix and match. All right, next up, we have a 25% off 1 digital coupon for the Bounty products. So if you want to pick up the Bounty Essentials paper towels, 1 count, these are priced at $1. Use the coupon, you're going to pay just 75 cents. All right, next up, we have a 1 off 2 digital coupon for the Hefty slider bags, but this is working on the DG Home Slider Storage Bag gallon size. These are priced at $2.50 each. Pick up 2, use that coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. All right, next up, we have this 50 cent off one digital coupon for the Puffs tissues. This is glitching and working on the Puffs 1-count cubes. These are priced at $1.90. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.40. All right, next up, here's a new one. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Tresemme products. So this is working on the Tresemme Recovery Hair Mask, Repair and Protect. These are priced at $2 each. Pick up 2, use that coupon, you're going to pay $1 for 2. Now, this coupon is also working on the Tresemme Smoothing Hair Mask, so you can pick up 2 of those, use that coupon, you're going to pay $1 for 2, or you could mix and match. All right, next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the 9 Lives Dry Cat Food. This coupon is glitching and working on the 12-ounce bags. These are priced at $1.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just 25 cents. All right, guys, quick check-in. So did you hit the thumbs up button for me yet? Go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna test y'all, all right? Whoever is listening to this right now, make sure that you leave me a smiley face emoji in the comment section down below, all right? All right, now we are about to talk about a couple of glitches that popped up last week. So I wanted to go ahead and let you all know that I'm going to leave the original glitch videos in the pinned comment down below. So if you guys need some more visuals or information, there's also another deal that I forgot to include in this video. So I'm going to put those videos in the pinned comment down below. So make sure that y'all go and check them out. Alright guys, now let's talk about the Suave glitch. Now again, if you guys watched last week's video, you already know what's going on. We have several Suave coupons that are stacking and working together and coming off at self-checkout, alright? Now, in last week's video, I showed you all 3, 4, maybe 5 different ways that y'all could take advantage of this glitch with different products. But since then, I've had some time to go into DG, scan a bunch of items, try some deals out, and there is a lot of items working with this glitch, all right? So let's get into it. All right, so first up, we have the Suave Professionals shampoos and conditioners. These are priced at $3 each, all right? You can mix and match as long as you scan the item, and both of the 2 off 6 Suave coupons show up underneath both products, all right? Pick up 2, use both of those coupons. You're going to pay $2 for 2, making those $1 each. Now, here's a hidden gem that I actually found this morning. We have the Suave Professional shampoos and conditioners, but these say 40% more for free on the top of the label right there. These are also priced at $3 each. So pick up 2, use both of those coupons. You're going to pay $2 for 2. Now, you could also pick up the Suave Professionals Moroccan shampoo and conditioners 2-pack, all right? This is priced at $6. Use both of those coupons. You're going to pay $2, and you're going to get the shampoo and the conditioner. All right, now like I said, these 2 off 6 Suave coupons are working on all kinds of products. So from here on out, I'm going to show you all a bunch of products and the regular price. That way you guys can mix and match however you would like. Just make sure that you scan the product, double check that both of those coupons show up underneath, and make sure that your subtotal is at least $6 before coupons are applied. All right, so first up, we have the Suave Pink shampoos and conditioners. These are priced at $5 each. So again, y'all can mix and match however you would like, but keep in mind we do have that awesome Ibotta rebate for $1.50 back. So don't forget to submit your receipt to Ibotta if you pick up that item. All right, so next up, we have these Suave styling products pictured right here. These are priced at $5 each. And here are some more Suave styling products, but these are priced at $4.50 each. Also working with both of these coupons are the Suave Aroma shampoos and conditioners. These are priced at $4.50 each. And we also have the men's 2-in-1 shampoos and conditioners. These are priced at $5 each. All right, now both of these coupons also work on the Suave Aroma hand soaps. These are priced at $2.85 each. All right, next up we have the Suave deodorants, 2.6 ounces. These are priced at $2.65. And we also have the Suave deodorant 2.6 ounce twin packs. These are priced at $4.50. And both of the Suave coupons are also working on the Suave with Aloe 32-ounce lotions. These are priced at $4.50. All right, now I want to say this one more time. All of the products that I just showed you all at regular price, you have to mix and match and get your subtotal to $6 before coupons. So you cannot go into DG and pick up one of these Suave lotions at $4.50 and expect both coupons to come off. That's not going to work. You have to mix it with something else such as a deodorant or a body wash or a shampoo and get your subtotal over $6, and then both of those coupons will come off, all right? Now, moving on into an even better glitch, we have both of those Suave coupons stacking with the 2 off 6 Suave Axe and Dove men's coupon, all right? So 3 DG store coupons are stacking on these products that we're about to go over. So first up, we have the Suave Men's Moisturizing Body and Face Wash. 20 fluid ounces. These are priced at $3.35 each. Pick up 2. Use all 3 of those coupons. You're going to pay 70 cents for 2. Here's another one that's working with all 3 of those coupons. We have the Suave Men's Refreshing Body and Face Wash. These are also priced at $3.35 each. Pick up 2. Use all 3 coupons. You're going to pay 70 cents for 2. And then we also have the Suave Women's Essentials Body Wash Ocean Breeze Scent. These are priced at $3.35 each. Pick up 2. Use all 3 coupons. You're going to pay 70 cents for 2. All right, now next up, I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Christina and Blue Ivory Channel. Thank you guys so much for sending me in your pictures. They found these Suave men's products in their clearance section for $3 each. So first up, we have the Suave Men's Shea Butter and Coconut Oil 2-in-1. These are priced at $3 each. All 3 coupons work, so you're going to pick up 2 and pay 70 cents for 2. And here we have the Suave Men's Shea Butter and Coconut Oil Leave-In Conditioners. These are priced at $3 each, so pick up 2. Use all 3 coupons. You're going to pay 70 cents for 2. All right, so next up, we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Pepsi and Lay's products. So with this glitch, what you want to do is pick up a 1.25 liter Crush or Pepsi or Mountain Dew. Pick up one of those at $1.25. Then you can pick up the Frito-Lay dip for $3.20. Use that digital coupon. You're going to pay $1.45 for 2. Now, you could also pick up one of the 1.25 liters at $1.25 and pick up a bag of munchies at $3.35. Use that coupon. You're going to pay $1.60 for 2. Now, you could also pick up the 1.25 liter and the rolled gold pretzels. Those are priced at $3.35. Use the coupon. You're going to pay $1.60 for 2. All right, now again, there's a lot of different ways that y'all can mix and match with this glitch. Just make sure that you pick up one of the 1.25 liters and then throw in a bag of chips or the dip. Here we have the Lay's, Doritos, and Cheetos regular price, but they are on sale too for $6. Now, you could also pick up a bag of the Fritos chips. These are priced at $4.60, but they are on sale too for $7. And then we also have the Ruffles and Tostitos chips. These are priced at $4.60, but they are on sale too for $8. All right, guys, now quick question. Did y'all leave that comment down below for me in the comment section that I asked y'all about earlier? I really want to find out who listens to the video all the way through. Because here's some very important information. So on the Suave glitch, that is self-checkout only. I know some of y'all are bummed out about it, but unfortunately, that's just what we're dealing with right now. It's self-checkout only. However, the Pepsi glitch, y'all can do at the regular register or at self-checkout. Now, here's a quick little tidbit that I know a lot of y'all will be interested in. If you guys do the Suave and Pepsi glitches at self-checkout, those coupons are actually staying on your account. So y'all can do the deal multiple times. Now, with that being said, don't go crazy and be clearing the shelves of all of your stores, all right? Because we want some of that product to stay on the shelves for this Saturday. All right, guys, now for this last glitch, we have the Golden Graham cereal bars. These are priced at 45 cents each, and you can find these up near the register. What you want to do is pick up a total of 5, and right now on Ibotta, we have a 75-cent rebate back on the General Mills cereal bars. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, and you're going to get $3.75 back. That's going to make your final price completely free, plus a $1.50 moneymaker. All right, now with this glitch, I'm going to go ahead and give y'all a quick disclaimer because in the past, when we have had these glitches with Ibotta rebates, I have had a couple people reach out to me and say that their accounts were actually shut down for redeeming rebates that were not for the intended item. Now, with that being said, I don't know what else was going on with their Ibotta accounts or what these people were doing. Such as, if you guys try to put 2 Ibotta accounts on one phone, that will immediately get one of your accounts shut down, no questions asked. So again, y'all do what you feel comfortable doing. I'm just throwing the disclaimer out there just in case. I will say that I did the deal a couple times last week, and I still have my Ibotta account and don't have any issues going on with it whatsoever. And just a quick tip, if y'all didn't know, I always recommend that y'all go ahead and cash out on these rebate apps as soon as you can. Go ahead and get a Walmart gift card or something like that, because typically those gift cards do not expire. So don't leave $500, $600, $700 sitting in these rebate apps just in case something crazy does happen. You don't want to lose out on all that money. So go ahead and cash out for a Walmart gift card at the very least. Y'all can always use that on gas or groceries or whatever it may be, all right? Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. If you haven't hit the thumbs up yet, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up because it's a free way that you can help support this channel. Leave me a comment down below, and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful, fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one.